So now let us learn the endings of personal pronouns in nominative case. As mentioned earlier, in this beginner course, you will be learning only about the nominative case personal pronouns. And they are ish, do, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie and sie. So now the endings. Ish ends with e. Ish ends with e. Do takes an st ending. Do takes st ending. Er, sie or s, they take t ending. Er, sie, s take t ending. Wir ends with en. Wir ends with en. Ihr takes t ending. Ear takes t ending. The capital Z and Z take en ending. ZZ take en ending. So I repeat once again. Ish, e, do, st, er, z, st, wir, en, ear, t, zz, en. We have 5 types of verbs in German. Number 1, auxiliary or helping verbs, modal verbs, mixed verbs, strong or irregular verbs, weak or regular verbs. Let us learn in detail how to conjugate a verb in German. The following verb is a regular verb and follow the conjugation of this verb kommen. Kommen means to come. Kommen means to come. So if you look at this verb kommen, K-O-M-M-E-N, the verb ends with en. So to conjugate, first remove the en ending. Circle out the en ending. What is remaining? Com, K-O-M-M. This com is called as the stem verb or the stem of the verb. We will conjugate the stem with the personal pronouns. Let us know what are the endings assigned to the verbs again. Ish, e, do, st, er, z, st, wir, en, ear, t and zz, en. So if I bring down the stem across all the personal pronouns, com, the personal pronouns and the verb sounds as ish, komme, ish, komme, du kommst, du kommst, sie, es kommt, sie, es kommt. Wir kommen, wir kommen, ihr kommt, ihr kommt, sie kommen, sie kommen. One thing to observe here or to notice, wir and ZZ, the plurals, are the friends for life with the infinitive verb, that is the main verb. the main verb is common. The same thing is used for wear as well as ZZ forms. That is the plural forms. So let's build up some examples with the verb wohnen. Ich wohne in Hyderabad. Ich wohne in Hyderabad. Wohnst du auch in Hyderabad? Wohnst du auch in Hyderabad? Er wohnt in Vijayawada. Er wohnt in Vijayawada. Aber sie wohnt in Secunderabad. Sie wohnt in Secunderabad. Wir wohnen in Visakhapatnam. Wir wohnen in Visakhapatnam. Ihr wohnt in Kolkata. Ihr wohnt in Kolkata. Sie wohnen in Hyderabad. Sie wohnen in Hyderabad. So the above two verbs are the regular or weak verbs in which the stamp is reflected across all the personal pronouns. The other regular verbs in German are few to name: machen, kaufen, lernen, laufen, kochen, malen, trinken, glauben, etc. So machen means to do, kaufen means to buy, lernen means to learn, laufen is to run, kochen is to cook, malen is to paint, trinken is to drink, glauben is to think. We have thousands of verbs in regular pattern. So there are more than thousands of regular verbs in German. Group up these verbs and try conjugating, and it becomes easy to memorize the rules. Although the majority of verbs in German follow the regular pattern as described above, there are a number of exceptions. That is, you have seen the different types of verb forms: regular, irregular. So the above pattern is for regular verbs. In the next session, you'll be learning how to conjugate the irregular verbs. As mentioned earlier, make a tabular column as we have shown you here to conjugate wohnen and kommen, and start conjugating each and every verb from the regular verbs. This practice helps you to be more perfect in your verb conjugations.